The origin of alternative energy systems came from a desire to tackle the plastic pollution challenge that Kenya was facing. There was no solution at the time for the types of plastic that you cannot recycle mechanically. When we receive the product here, we first have to do our own sorting. We have sorting, we have shredding, we have drying. Those are the three processes that take place prior to us feeding it into the plant. Alternative Energy Systems Limited employs a technology known as pyrolysis to thermally crack waste plastic into a synthetic oil. The synthetic oil that we manufacture is a substitute for petroleum products such as furnace oil and industrial diesel oil. Other than PVC and PET, we can actually pyrolyze any type of plastic. When you look at the air emissions that are generated from burning petroleum oils, our product contains no sulfur. It is very, very low in NOx and SOx. So from an environmental aspect, you have the improvement of the air quality. Two, you're removing plastic from the environment, which is actually a detriment to the environment. The factory was commissioned in 2018. We have a full-time staff of 32 and we employ between 50 and 80 casuals per day. When you look at the earnings that a waste picker can get by collecting plastic for us, the amount they earn is higher than what the minimum wage gazetted for factory workers and construction workers or the casual workers in the country. We buy around 12 tons of plastic a day. Even if we look at 200 kilos, how many women or young men are involved in collecting the 12 tons for us? I want to thank KCIC for inviting us to the SWIFT program. And it has been a real eye-opener for us. The main benefit has been through the training workshops. That's where we learned about the circular economy, how to prepare business plans, how to be investor ready. But having said that, KCIC has also helped us, for example, with the purchase of 2 shredding machines. So as much as KCIC themselves do not have the funds to help us expand, KCIC has the network within which to introduce us to be able to be exposed to funding. Our project at the moment is more of a proof of concept stage. Unfortunately, I don't think Kenya is ready for such a project. Cost of recycling is very high. And in the Kenyan market, it's basically a very price-sensitive market. Most companies are not willing to have an impact on their bottom line simply because it's an environmental benefit. We hope to get to 70 tons of plastic per day, which will make us good business to invest in.